Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. It's Kambal Kikay once again and my name is Lynn. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my top 5 favorites from the Maybelline Super Matte Ink Lipstick. So guys, papakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung mga shades na nabili ko. And if you are interested to see these products, please keep on watching. So guys, I'm going to swatch each of these lipstick on the back of my hands for you to see the shades and then later sa lips ko naman. Let's start with Seductress. So, this is the lightest shade, guys, dun sa 5 shades na nakuha ko. Isuswatch ko muna siya, guys, dito sa hands ko. Ito siya, guys. Ayan. May pagka-pink undertone ito, guys. And it's also safe, guys, sa mga morena or sa mga fair skin na katulad ko. And it's also safe for everyday use. So, ayan guys. Maganda yung shade na to guys. Kahit na anong suot mo, nagko-complement siya. So, yan yung shade na Seductress. Guys, this is the second shade, Lover. So, this is Lover guys. Ayan. May pagka-fuchsia pink yung kulay niya guys. And, halos katulad dito guys yung mesmerizing magenta ng Maybelline lipstick. Ganito yung kulay niya guys. So, papakita ko din sa inyo guys para makita nyo. Ayan guys. So, medyo malapit siya dyan guys. Pero mas bold lang kasi yung kulay nitong mesmerizing magenta. Ayan. This one also is good for everyday use and para dun sa mga morena at saka mga fair skin tone, pwede rin to guys kasi hindi siya masyadong loud yung kulay niya. So, yun yung Lover. The third one is Ruler. So, ayan siya guys. So, guys, ito may pagka red undertone siya guys na parang may halong pink. So, ganyan ang kulay niya guys. This one is good for mga formal event, ganyan, or sa mga office din, pwede rin guys. So guys, maganda to, even din sa mga, gaya ng sabi ko lagi, na ito lahat ng shades na nakuha ko, it's safe to use for your skin tone and mga morena. The fourth one is the Globetrotter. So, this is the Globetrotter, guys. So, this one is, yung shade nito, guys, Rusty Burnt Orange ang kulay niya, guys. So, may pagka-dark brown yung kulay niya. Just like the Toasted Brown from Maybelline Powder Matte Lipstick. Ganito rin yung kulay niya, guys, eh. Isa yun sa mga paborito kong gamitin. And, kaya, kinuha ko din to, guys, kasi yun nga, gusto ko rin yung shade niya, guys. So guys, we're done with the last shade and this is Amazonian. So guys, yung kulay nito parang dark brown din siya guys. So I'm going to swatch it on the back of my hands for you to see. So eto siya guys. Ayan. So si Globetrotter at saka si Amazonian, halos magkakulay lang siya guys eh. Pero ito lang kasi si Globetrotter, more on the orange tone siya guys. Pero dito kay Amazonian, medyo muted na yung pagka-brown niya. So, ayan guys. So, these are the 5 shades guys that I got na mga paborito ko talagang gamitin. Now guys, tapos na tayo sa swatches. So, ngayon, ang gagawin ko naman guys, papakita ko naman siya sa inyo. Gagamitin ko siya sa lips ko. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo dito sa video na to. And if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, please consider to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell below so that every time we post a new video, you will be notified. Again, thank you so much for watching and may God bless you all. Until next time, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!